Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So the model of this car is actually SC430, and this particular car is actually approved by Toyota and manufactured under Honda's license. So and this is done by this particular miniature model is actually done by Super GT. That's the brand name itself. And so this is actually this guy's car. This Hausen, this guy's car. So it looked really, honestly it looked really cute, so I bought it. And it looks really detailed for the for the size and everything, and the paint job and everything. So this is actually plastic, that I know. But okay, why don't we unbox and see actually. Okay, there is something sticking here. Let me just try to pull it in this way instead of cutting it out. Okay, I think I got it. See anything on the side? Okay, so here it is. Okay, so I think this is, I don't know if it is sticking inside here or, yeah, that is rubber. So rubber is actually sticking on the, yeah, that is rubber. Let me just put this aside for a minute. Let's see what is here. So it is written in China, so I am not really sure. There's a licensing here, Super GT and everything. Okay, there is a small booklet here, and actually this is actually it has the entire 6 or 7 cars, I guess. 3, 4, 5. It actually mentioned as 6 cars. So you can see here. Okay, there is one more fold here. So where is the one which we are holding? So this one is with the Lexus logo. Okay, I think that is the first one. Yeah, this is the one. The first one. This is the one which we are having now. Toyota Team Toms. This is the one. So it had this entire lineup, but I didn't see this entire set of cars there. It was only one of this. So it looked really nice, so I immediately bought it. And it is really nice to actually put this kind of booklet in, so that we will actually get to know what car this is, because I actually never heard about this car. So maybe this is specific to this particular cup, I guess. Okay, so this is a plastic base here, and let me just put this in safely because it looks really nice. So they did everything within this small packaging. That is really awesome, if you ask me. Let me just put it safely. Okay, I forgot this. Okay, okay, so here is the car itself. Actually this is very light. It's like a little bit heavier than paper, I can say. Okay, like I already mentioned, the bodies, it is plastic, but honestly it looks really nice for this price range and all. And be given that this is approved by Toyota and licensed under Honda's name. This is an insert on top of that. They painted it in silver, which is really nice. And so the windshields are actually along with this plastic itself. It is not a separate piece, and it has this exhaust here, which is really nice. That is an actual hole there. It looks really good, and the paint job on this is really nice. Since it's plastic, it is we won't be having any paint job issue. That is really nice. So the body kit and everything looks amazing on this one. I mean, I'm really glad that I picked this one up. So I did miss a couple of this 1:80 models, the RUF ones. I saw multiples of those, but I really didn't want to get bashed by my wife at that time. So I was like, okay, let's pick only 2 and then leave the rest. So I bought only 2, but I actually bought a lot of cars in total, as you guys saw in that hunt videos one by one. I even missed two of the cars to showcase. So, but this one looks absolutely nice. So this looks really cute, and given that this is a licensed car, that is really nice. It doesn't have any interior, but everything, honestly, everything is licensed in this one. The tires, even the logos here, you can see everything here is licensed. So that is really nice. So okay, let's try and buy this casing. Let's see if something comes up. Okay, 6 grams. Okay, I'm happy that it has some kind of weight. Okay, let's see if it rolls, because see, the tires are actually rubber. That's the reason it was sticking to the paper there. That doesn't roll at all. But I really don't mind about this, because I'm not going to play with this. I honestly bought this for the sole purpose of keeping it in my display or somewhere really safe, because I really love the very miniature models compared to even the 164 ones. You can see this is the Lexus logo actually. So even though it is very small, and they crammed up a lot of details on this tiny model, that is really awesome. Hood details and everything looks really nice. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.